Hello everyone, I'm Jesus Daniel Pérez Diaz, a student who loves learning languages, especially English. Today I'm happy to share a short lesson with you. In step 3 of our video task, we'll talk about English sounds. I'll explain how to say can and can't. Knowing these words well is important to speaking English correctly. We'll also explore how to say numbers from 12 to 19 and notice how similar they sound from 20 to 19. This will help you talk about numbers more easily. So get ready for a quick 5 minutes lesson. Now let's proceed to examine the pronunciation of can and can't in various contexts. When we speak about the regular verb can, it means you have a capacity to do something. Can is pronounced as can. How if we use the letter K and E? Let's see some examples. I can swim, meaning in this context can expresses the ability or capacity to swim. Pronunciation can. Examples: I can dance, you can sing, he can play the guitar, she can speak French, it can be challenging, we can help, you can join us, they can understand. Now, now, let's continue with can't. Pronunciation of can't. Can't is pronounced as can't. Repeat the word can't several times, highlighting the lower vowel sounds. Examples: I can't believe it. Can is a contraction of cannot and is used to express inability or disbelief in this context. Examples: I can't believe it. You can go there. He can attend the meeting. She can solve the problem. It can't be true. We can wait. You can miss the deadline. They can find the case. Numbers. Now, eh, numbers 12, 20, 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 30, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, and 19, 90. Pronunciation. 12 is pronounced like 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 19, making a little accentuation and thin. 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And that's all. Thanks for the attention. I hope you learn and practice this song in English with me. Thank you so much.